investing with an active manager when 3/4 of them have underperformed the index and the index is so much cheaper. But then again, active investment management is not blind investing. The portfolio managers or the CIOs, they're skilled. They have their CFAs. Nobody's perfect, but they do look at balance sheets. They do look at income statements. They do look at valuations. But when you're investing in ETF, there's none of that, and that is an unremittent bull market. The bull market at ETF investing, and that money has to be put to work. I guess I didn't anticipate at this stage that when I look at the household financial asset mix, 70% is in equities. Only 12% is in bonds. And that's true. This is from the Fed flow of funds data. Of course, bonds are for losers. You're not going to talk about bonds at the cocktail party. Nobody want to have a conversation with you. And the rest, of course, is in cash. But we've never been at 70% before in terms of the concentration of equities and household balance sheets, not even during the internet era of the late 1990s. This is off the charts. And when you look at baby boomers, the 80 million pig in a python, baby boomers like myself, we should be between 30 and 40% in terms of the life cycle in equities. They are over 60% in their asset mix. We've never seen this before. Everybody is all in at the same time in exactly the same trade. Portfolio managers themselves, looking at the ICI mutual fund data, and I didn't predict this, that we're down to just over 1% liquidity ratio, cash to asset ratio for domestic equity funds. In the overall annals of financial history, we've never come close to being that low. Imagine, God forbid, if we ever see any redemptions. But, those are the surprises. Those are the surprises. And the fact that we still have such huge inflows in equity ETFs with the valuations where they are, even if you're willing to take a long-term view of valuations, which is what I did, it might not be a bubble, but it's a mania. And I don't invest in either one of those. But that's really the story for the past year.